Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sonal Srivastav and today I came at Gandhi Park to create a new video where you learn something new. Like today my friend is so sad, whatever, I don't know the reason. So I want to motivate him for something new. So I create a video. So let's start this conversation. Just follow with me. Okay. Hi Shreyas.
Hello, Sunil.
How are you?
I am good, and how are you?
I am also good, but I feel you are not looking so good.
Yeah, I am not good that much because I am just going through something.
Like what are you going through something? I want to know the reason.
Just I recently gave so many interviews in my past, but I didn't clear anyone. So I am just think where I am lacking. I give my all 100% in these interviews, and I am preparing well, but they are not giving me a chance to work with them. So that's why I'm thinking about it a lot.
Okay, so have you observed that what kind of problems do you face in your last interviews?
I think I just start the good. I start the good interview, but at the one point, just they ask some question about the personality and they ask something about inner myself. At that point, I just lack one thing, and I think the confidence is also the thing that sometimes I lose my confidence when I giving the answer and the posture. That's why I'm thinking that why I'm lacking these kind of things. I am preparing well from the last 3 years, and I am not clearing the interviews, and I also getting so much depression about it.
Yeah, I can understand it well, Shreyas. Like you know, I think everyone knows that in our life there is a part of up and down.
Yeah.
Life is all about up and down. So don't need to think too much. You just try. You will try some next time. Then you will become good. And I think if you notice the problems, whatever are you facing in your current interviews, so you need to work on them. Like you said in your last statement, then you face the problem about confidence.
Yeah.
So I think you should need to work on your communication and confidence.
Yeah.
Are you working on it?
Yeah, I'm trying to work on it because I failed in the last interview, and then I asked them where I am lacking, why you are not giving me opportunity to work with you. So they said you are lacking in some points, you should have to work on them. So I started working on them, but I didn't know how I start them.
I think you should take some classes from anywhere in the Gwalior. Like there is a famous coaching, NIFL.
Yeah.
So you can go there and take some classes and work on your personality. After that you will become good. I feel like that. But don't lose your hope.
So should I have to join the NIFL?
Yeah, definitely you can join the NIFL and learn something new, because its coaching is all about the personality development. And I think you have a good personality. You just you are sometimes we hesitate in front of someone when we are going somewhere to give the interview. So when the interview asks the question, we just forget about the things what we know already, but we forget just because of low confidence and so many problems. So don't need to think too much extra. Like you can do anything, whatever you want. Just never lose your hope in your life. I think so.
So there will be the next week, there will be a next interview of mine. So what should I have to do for that? So I should stay confident in front of them.
Okay, so first of all, you tell me like what type of interview will you face in your next? Like where will you go?
I think there are some tech companies are coming in my college.
Okay.
And so I should have to present my skills in front of them, what I learned in my past years of my college. So just I have to pretend like that I know everything about the things. You should have to be hired me.
Yeah.
I am the one capable. You should have to be hired.
So I think there are some common questions in the interview. Like tell me about yourself and why we hire you and what are your expectations. There are so common questions, but the answer is not common.
Yeah.
Like if you will give the answer in a very specific way according to your personality, then the interviewer will get good. Like he impressed by your personality, he or she will impressed by your personality. So you have to answer him or her according to your own personality.
Okay. I have to work on it.
Yeah, definitely you have to work on it, and I think communication is everywhere. Whatever the task is, like the interviews about teaching and tech companies and finances. I don't have that much idea, but there are so many types of professions. So communication is all.
Yeah, communication is the most important. So I have to work on my things.
Yeah, definitely.
Where I am
And
lacking.
yes, and if you will work, then you will become better day by day. So don't need to think too much and don't make your face like this. You are capable of doing anything in your life,
Yeah, I know.
and you listened about the like never lose the hope
Yeah.
and never give up in life.
You should never have to. give
Yeah,
up.
yeah. So I think you motivated you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you will try next time or not?
Yeah, I try my best. And I think I should have to crack my interview now.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank you
so
for
much.
listening us, guys.